M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So I was using my HRI200 on my FTM300D, which works great. And I thought to myself, right, I now want to switch to my SCU20 cable. I know there's a newer cable out, but the old one does work on Windows 11, by the way. So anyway, so I'm going to show you how to switch. So all you do is go File, click Retry Activation, like so. Then click OK. Are you sure you want to execute the command? Click OK. And now what you need is the node and room number that it was given you for your SCU cable. Let's get our radio into YAESU mode, so turn it off. Hold down the two orange buttons. You're now in YAESU mode. Now put in the numbers that YAESU sent you when you set up the account for your FTM300 using an SCU20 cable. So you would have used the radio ID that's in the FTM300 for that as well. So all you do is add that. Mine is 57889 and 67889. ID entry, it will find the details from their server, click OK. And then I'm not going to do all the settings now, but we're now connected into that system, and as soon as it populates, just take a couple of minutes. So if you haven't got a PDN mode or a SCU20 type cable, you can buy them, and I'll show you the site. You register here, YAESU. I mean, I was using just now the HRI200 box, same radio, and it works great. You get your own room and you can use it in analog, so that's the plus. But the problem is you have to use a walkie-talkie to talk through the FTM300, where this one, you don't have to do that. You can directly use the FTM300, and you can even hit the AB button and get it into access mode and use a walkie-talkie. I wonder if I can do that now. Just hit my AB button. We'll connect to someone first. Connect to, and then we're going to go, that's America Link. There you are, we're connected already. I can now use the microphone with my FTM300 to talk, or if I hit AB, it goes into direct mode, and then let's get this right. Direct mode is when I use the actual FTM300. So if I key now, you'll see it come up on the system there, which it did. If I hit the AB button, that's access mode. It will show you the frequency. How do you set the frequency? You just go File, Transceiver Settings, and you just put it here. You decide the frequency. The clever thing about this system as well, you can actually have dual receive. You have to disconnect. Let's see if I can disconnect. Let's close this window. Okay, we'll go File. Right, that seems to have disconnected when I rebooted anyway. So then we go Transceiver, and we're actually in this, we're allowed to select a second one. I think we still have to disconnect File. No, it's not letting me do it now. Let me think now. Is that because I should be on a HRI200 to do that? Yes, I'm getting confused now. When you're using the HRI200 box, you can add a second transceiver. My mistake, and it would go there. Anyway, so we switched across, and we're going to connect back to America Link, and it's all working great. So when you're moving from a HRI200 box to a SCU20 or SCU cable, you don't have to reinstall all the software. You know, the main point of this video is you just, once you've, let's just close that and disconnect, you literally just go File, click Retry Activation, you get this warning, and when you click OK, you enter the ID numbers that were given to your HRI200 box or your other SCU cable or other YAESU radio. Could be the FT, I don't know, 2, 3, 400, and it will work, and it's a quick changeover. So please subscribe to my channel if you're finding these videos helpful, and catch you on air 7-3. All the best.